morning commute from the Bommarito. Automotive Sky Fox.
All right, thank you, Mr. Brubaker. Do you have CVS? It has nothing to do with the drugstore. I'm talking about something called computer vision syndrome. It's a real problem, especially for those who spend a lot of time staring at electronics all day. Dr. Brian Lojka is an eye care specialist with Clarkson Eye Care. CVS, you ever hear of it before? You ever see it?
All the time. You see it all the time. Absolutely.
What are the symptoms?
Two basic symptoms: dry eyes and eye fatigue. When you look at a computer, the average blink rate is about 15 to 20 blinks per minute. That cuts in half or even more.
Really? So we kind of zone out and stare longer than we should?
Or you zone in and you stare too long. And when you don't blink, you don't spread lubrication over the eyes. When the eyes don't get lubricated, they dry out. The other thing that happens is there's a small muscular contraction that occurs within the eye. The contraction occurs to squeeze the lens to create focus so you can see at the computer distance. The closer you hold something, the more contraction that the muscle has to do.
Is there a possibility of some kind of permanent damage to either our eyesight or the physical structure of the eye?
Not really.
No?
It's more of a nuisance than anything else. Just as dry skin on the back of your hands this time of year creates cracked, irritated, dry skin, dry eyes are the same way, except it's more of a highly innervated tissue, so it can bug you a little bit more.
So probably just some saline drops or simply blink more can help you out?
Yeah, it can. Taking small visual breaks, looking away for a while can allow that muscle to relax. You can focus on something at a distance, just as not lifting or working out for a few minutes will allow the muscles to rejuvenate themselves. It's the same thing when you look away.
Okay, and one doctor I read in this particular study said there's a rule you can live by called 20-20-20. Look away from your screen every 20 minutes for 20 seconds at a time and focus on a point about 20 feet away. Pretty much what you just said, but it's kind of an easy way to remember it.
Yeah, it is. It's really simple stuff. Just look away. It allows that muscle called the ciliary muscle to relax, just like you would relax any other muscle in the body.
But, you know, let's be honest, some people are addicted to their technology and they may not even comprehend the fact that I have to look away, I have to blink some more to help my eyesight.
Absolutely. The things that we use and the up-close vision that we use to see them is everywhere now. It is in your phone, it's on your computer, it's at work, it's at school, it's everywhere. So looking away, using hydrating drops. There's some prescription medications that we use now that are very, very effective as well. They can all combat this, which is pretty much just a really big nuisance in our lives these days.
Do people come to see you at the office and say, Doc, something's really, really wrong, and you say, no, you're just staring too long?
All the time.
Really?
It is everywhere. Yep.
Huh. So it's something we can fix on our own. Very good. Thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it. Our thanks to Dr. Lojka from Clarkson Eye Care. You think you might need help for your CVS or just a checkup? Clarkson has locations literally all over the place. We've provided a link to their website on our website at fox2now.com. John, see? That's an eye joke.
I got it. You know what? I think I need to stop by there. Issues. All right, we're talking about these kids. They are heroes who never hibernate. Young people, 8 to 18, leaders in the community. Do you know why?